Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Maytag washer troubleshooting wouldn't start. Let's dive in. The first solution is to check the power supply. To do so, verify that the washer is securely plugged into the functioning outlet. Check the circuit breaker or fuse box for any tripped switches or blown fuses. Test the outlet with another appliance. The second solution is to door or lid switch. To check this, inspect the door or lid switch for visible damage or misalignment. Listen for a click when the door is closed. Replace the switch if it is damaged or not engaging. The next solution is control lock activation. To do so, check if the control lock light is on. Press and hold control lock button for 3 seconds to deactivate it. Refer to the manual for your model-specific instructions. The next solution is cycle selection. Ensure a valid voice cycle is selected. Press the Start button after selecting the cycle. Turn off any delay start feature if active. The next solution is control panel inspection. To do this, look for signs of physical damage or moisture on the control panel. Dry the panel if it is wet. Reset the washer by unplugging it for 1 minute and plugging it back in. The next solution is the Start button. Press the Start button firmly and ensure it is not stuck. If the button feels unresponsive, it may need professional repair or replacement. The next solution is the water supply. Ensure both hot and cold water supply valves are open. Inspect the inlet hoses for kink or blockages. Check if the washer displays low water supply error code. The next solution is the error codes. Note any error code displayed on the washer. Refer to the user manual for error loads, definitions, and recommended solutions. The next solution is the user manual reference. Review the troubleshooting section of your washer's user manual. Follow model-specific instructions for resolving common issues. If none of the above solutions work, you need to contact the Maytag customer service or a certified repair technician. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.